I want my fruit and vegetables to come from the land, not the lab. This quote comes from Deidre Emis of the Fox News website, who authored an article on the benefits of eating organic foods. So today, I'm going to go over just a few of the many reasons why switching to an organic lifestyle is not only advantageous for yourself, but also your family and your environment. One reason Emis cites to make the switch to an organic lifestyle is to limit your exposure to the antibiotic-resistant bacteria, also known as superbugs. Consuming produce and meat that is made organically reduces a consumer's exposure to these superbugs. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria are becoming more prevalent and more problematic in the healthcare field for treatment of infections. They also limit the spectrum of currently available medications. Another reason, published in the Journal of Critical Reviews in Plant Sciences, revealed that organic produce averages a 12% increase in health-promoting compounds, such as secondary metabolites, which are associated with preventing heart disease, cancer, and obesity. While heart disease is currently the #1 cause of death, this information alone should be enough to motivate and influence people into an organic lifestyle. Another study published in the Environmental Health Perspective showed children, if exposed in the womb to a certain chemical found in pesticides, known as organophosphates, their IQs upon entering school were lower than those of children with almost zero exposure. And yet, another study published in the Journal of Pediatric links attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD, in children to those same organophosphates. With childhood diseases and disorders on the rise, these facts are also profound reasons to make the switch to an organic lifestyle. Lastly, has anyone heard on the news about our honeybees mysteriously disappearing? Researchers believe that the use of pesticides on crops are to blame. The useful importance of bees and their pollinating powers are crucial to the sustainability of crops. If people realized that without bees we would have fewer apples, oranges, zucchinis, etc. to eat, this is yet another good reason to make the switch to an organic lifestyle. But bees are not the only one experiencing the negative effects of pesticide use. For example, when pesticides are used to cultivate food, the chemicals often spread beyond the crop and into the surrounding soil, water, and air. To illustrate, if those superbugs that I referenced earlier are getting into our drinking water, this is yet another great reason to make the switch to an organic lifestyle. So making the switch to an organic lifestyle can seem like an expensive and daunting task. So what I would like you to try is to start small and then expand. I'm going to give you a very simple way on how to get started. Has anyone ever heard of the Dirty Dozen or the Clean 15? These are the top 12 produce shown to have the most pesticide residue and 15 to have the least. You can find these lists on many websites such as ewg.org. For example, I will always buy my apples, spinach, and celery organic, but my avocados, asparagus, and kiwi may be farmed conventionally. So hopefully I've persuaded you into making the switch into an organic lifestyle and an easy way on how to get started. Let's get back to loving our environment and becoming a healthier nation.